In this video, we are going to create our task. So let me remove our middleware and also our message and also uncomment my middleware. And it will be an async function which take request and our response and open it with our arrow function, and we put in our try and catch block. Create a const task equals to await, and we need to create our task. For that we need our task model. Task from dot slash model slash task. We import our task model. So it is import from our models slash task file and dot create. Which is our required dot body. And response dot json, we are sending our task that is created. And in catch block response dot json, we are printing our message, our error dot message. So in our catch error, we are catching our error and send our error message. Let's save the file. Go to the Postman and send the request. We have getting an error. Please add a task. We also need, it is showing our please add a task. So in our index.js, we need to add another middleware that can help us to access that form data. So app.use our express dot URL encode extended to false. Let's save the file and send the request one more time. Go to Postman, send the request, and to get rid of this error message, we need to go to the task.js file and remove the message Go to Postman, send the request. Let me also console log the require dot body, save the file, and send the request. We have getting an error, that is because we are sending the data in our form data and we use our middleware is our URL encoded. So in our Postman, select the URL encoded form and send the name field as a homework and send the request. And as you can see, the name, and by default we did not pass the field which is by default false, ID created at and updated at field. So if I send a data in raw format, we have getting an same error. So in our VS Code, if I just uncomment it, and you can see also our object is print. So let me remove my console log, save the file, go to Postman, and we uncomment my form URL encoded. Go to Postman, send the request, and I am sending the data in text. Let me select in JSON, send the request, and you can see that our task is created with name homework 1. And let me console log the requires dot body, save the file, send the request again, and it is showing as an object my task in my terminal. So we created our task and save it on a database. In the next video we are get the task from MongoDB. I will see you in the next video.